Do you have one in a smaller size? Do you have one in a smaller size? Do you want to come with us? Do you want to come with us? It's not worth it. It's not worth it. The drain is blocked again. The drain is blocked again. No one knows. No one knows. Will you be free tomorrow? Will you be free tomorrow? What time will dinner be served? What time will dinner be served? Here you are. Here you are. Did she come with him? Did she come with him? I don't know. I don't know. It smells good. It smells good. I am not sure we will get to the station on time. I am not sure we will get to the station on time. He won the match. He won the match. I am not sure. I'm not sure. What's your favorite sport? What's your favorite sport? Would you like to go out with me tonight? Would you like to go out with me tonight? You really shouldn't watch TV this much. You really shouldn't watch TV this much. How long do you plan to stay here? How long do you plan to stay here? He is a smart boy. He is a smart boy. Which is mine? Which is mine? I don't mean it. I don't mean it. About a year. About a year. Can you tell me the correct time? Can you tell me the correct time? Hi, what's up, buddy? Hi, what's up, buddy? What month is this? What month is this? I just got here. I just got here. Any day will do. Any day will do. I felt heartbroken. I felt heartbroken. Be careful. Be careful. How long have you been here? How long have you been here? It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. You need to work out. You need to work out. The pain is getting worse. The pain is getting worse. I study here. I study here. He had a bad cold. He had a bad cold. What are you going to do with the books? What are you going to do with the books?